Hi, welcome to Smart Web Solutions. Are you having trouble sending emails from your domain name or from your email client? In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons why your email fails to send. Before we dive in, if you are visiting the channel for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. Now, there are common reasons why your emails fail to deliver or fail to be sent from your client, from your email client, or from your email account to your recipient. Some of these challenges or some of these issues are: number one is incorrect SMTP settings. So now, how do you find your SMTP settings from SmartWeb account? If you have a registered hosting, you first log into your control panel, go to the email segment on the control panel, create any email account or any email user. So the first mail you receive is an email containing your SMTP details. So now log into the email you just create and then open the email. So the email will contain all your SMTP credentials. So this is the first email delivered on this mailbox. So once you create any email account on SmartWeb server, you have the credential, that's the SMTP details. So now ensure that your SMTP details matches with what you have on this account. So if you are creating an email client, just verify that the details you have on this SMTP matches with what you have on your email client. So ensure you use the right port for the outgoing server, which is usually 465, and also for this is settings for SSL. So if you are using an SSL, which is most recommended option, so ensure you use this port number for the SSL. Then for all recommended settings is the one without SSL, that's the unsecured recommendation. So now you have the server details and you have everything details here. So you now check and then compare it with what you have on your email account and synchronize it. So this is one. If your email your SMTP credential is incorrect, then definitely your email is going to fail, so you will not have an exchange with your email. Second is if you have a wrong email password. Maybe you've forgotten your email password, so there is no way you can send and receive email from that email account. So you need to reset the email password. And how do you reset? You go to the account on your control panel, click on manage on the account, the email account you want to change the password, and then update the password here with any strong password. So now enter the password and then click on update email settings. So this will automatically change the password of that particular email account. Then thirdly is the outgoing port is being blocked. If your outgoing port number is being blocked, then this has to do from the server side. If the outgoing port number is blocked, it could be blocked from it could be blocked by due to spamming or any other related security activities that will hinder this port number being blocked. And again, some internet service providers, they usually block email port, especially port 25. So if you're using port 25, it's usually being blocked by internet service providers. So you need to switch to either port 465 or port 587. That's the one with SSL and the one without SSL. So you ensure you use these two port number. If you're using 25, it's usually being blocked by internet service provider. And then the next reasons why your email is not exchanged is because of exceeding email quota. Once your email quota is exceeded, like this one, this is almost exceeding. Once the email quota has been exhausted, then there is no way you can exchange email with that. And how do you resolve that issue? Is to increase the email quota of that particular account. So you click on manage and then scroll down, change the value you have here to, let's say, 2 gig. 2000 MB, and then click on update settings. So this will only be effective if what you have on the server is exactly what you have here, or what you have on the server is more than what you have here. So if it's less on the server, then there is no way you can update the values here. For example, if the value that is set on the server is 1000 MB, that is 1 gig, and you want to update it to 2 gig, it's not possible. Your user account cannot have more than what is being set up on the server. So you need to ensure that these values are updated correctly with the correct values. Then the next reason why you cannot send email is the domain or DNS problem. If you have any DNS issue on your account, then definitely you are going to have an email exchange error. So for example, if you want to check the details on your account, you go to the domain name, check on the domain on IntoDNS. So the IntoDNS will give you details of what you have, the DNS settings of what you have on your particular account, being it the A record, the MX record, and what have you. So now check on all the record, ensure the record tallies. None of the records should be showing you an error. So now here on the MX record, we don't have any problem with the MX record, and this MX record is a record that handles the email exchange, or the mail exchanger record we call it. And also the A record should be pointing to the DNS server. We have a record on the account and it is pointing correctly on this particular account. So we'll check the A record also to verify. Another tool we can use to check all this record is a Google Toolbox. So if you check on Google Toolbox, it's going to give you details of what you have on that particular account. So now these are the A records we have, which correspond to the server IP. So now this is correct. When the A record is different and the MX record is different from what you have on your particular account or on your server, then definitely you are going to have an issue with email exchange. Then the next issue is the server or the hosting restriction. There could be a restriction from the server, or the server can suspend your account due to spamming or due to malicious activities. So once your account is being suspended, then there is no way you can exchange email. And also the reputation of the IP. If the IP is being blacklisted by service providers due to spamming, if you are on a resident on the shared environment, that's the shared hosting, where you shared the particular IP of that server across all the users on that particular server, it will also hinder you sending an email. So you cannot send an email when the server IP is being blacklisted. So if the IP is blacklisted, then there is no way you can send and receive email. So these are some of the issues that will hinder sending and receiving email or exchanging email from your own account to another account. And yeah, that is it for today on why we cannot send and receive email. So if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. And don't forget, if you are visiting the channel for the first time, kindly like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up.